Your shoulder will grow in no time if you do this. I will give you the best and most effective exercises that you can do anywhere at home and in the gym. Just choose 6 exercises for the entire shoulder, 2 for the front shoulder, 2 for the side shoulder, and 2 for the back shoulder. I will give you a wide range of exercises to choose from. Whatever suits you, I will also talk about how to know what weight is right for you and how to avoid any injuries. The first dumbbell upright row exercise targets the lateral shoulder muscle. Do 3 sets, 8-12 reps. The rest period is 60 seconds. The second exercise, dumbbell front raise, targets the front shoulder muscle. Do 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. The rest period is 60 seconds. There are several ways to determine the appropriate weight when doing bodybuilding exercises. Start the exercise with low weights to master the correct movements. This will help you build your foundation and avoid injuries. Once you master the movements, begin gradually increasing the weight. The third exercise, bent elbow dumbbell, lateral raise, targets the lateral shoulder muscle. Do 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. The rest period is 60 seconds. Increase the weight by 2.55 kilos each time. Monitor how your body responds to the weight gain. If you feel very tired or achy, the increase may be very rapid. Make sure you eat enough protein, carbohydrates, and fat to support muscle growth. Gradually increase calories to achieve a caloric surplus for muscle growth. The fourth exercise, dumbbell front raise alternately, targets the front shoulder muscle. Do 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. The rest period is 60 seconds. By following these steps correctly, you will be able to determine the appropriate weight for bodybuilding exercises and achieve your goals safely and effectively. Now, we will talk about how to avoid any injuries. Warm up your body muscles well before starting the exercise. Start with a light warm-up to increase your heart rate and blood flow. The fifth exercise, dumbbell seated lateral raise, targets the lateral shoulder muscle. Do 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. The rest period is 60 seconds. Focus on correct performance. Make sure you perform the exercises with correct technique and proper movements. Slow down the movements and focus on controlling the weight throughout the range of motion. Diversify the exercises you perform to achieve muscle balance. This will help strengthen various muscle groups and joints. The sixth exercise, raise the dumbbells forward with the dumbbells fixed at the top, targets the anterior shoulder muscle. Do 3 sets, 8-12 reps. The rest period is 60 seconds. You must take sufficient rest periods between exercises to enable the muscles to recover. Be aware of any pain or excess fatigue during exercise. If you feel any possible injury, stop exercising immediately. By following these tips, you will be able to lift heavy weights safely and avoid injuries during bodybuilding exercises. The seventh exercise, Lou raises, targets the lateral shoulder muscle and the front shoulder muscle. Do 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. The rest period is 60 seconds. In order to develop the shoulder muscles effectively, there are important points to consider regarding using heavy or light weights if you are a beginner. It is preferable for at least the first month to exercise with light weights. Light weights help focus on shape and muscle definition. The eighth exercise, dumbbell side lateral raise, targets the lateral shoulder muscle. Do 3 sets, 8-12 reps. The rest period is 60 seconds. Heavy weights help build more muscle, size, and strength. Stimulates muscle growth through mechanical stimulation and stress on the muscles. It is suitable for building muscle mass and strength. Requires correct performance technique to maintain safety. The ninth exercise, dumbbell reverse fly, targets the posterior shoulder muscle. Do 3 sets, 8-12 reps. The rest period is 60 seconds. Diversify between heavy and light weights. In each training session, a mixture of heavy and light weights must be used to develop the shoulder muscles in a balanced manner. Starting with light weights for control and then working your way up to heavier weights with proper technique is crucial to avoiding injuries. The 10th exercise, dumbbell rear delt fly, targets the posterior shoulder muscle. Do 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. The rest period is 60 seconds. Eat complex carbohydrates to provide the energy needed for strenuous exercises. Eat enough protein to support muscle growth and repair. Make sure to get essential nutrients such as vitamins and minerals. Eat healthy, balanced meals before and after exercise. The 11th exercise, dumbbell bent over raise, targets the posterior shoulder muscle. Do 3 sets, 8-12 reps. The rest period is 60 seconds. Set consistent bedtimes and try to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Ensure adequate rest between strenuous strength exercises that focus on heavy weights. Incorporate relaxation and flexibility exercises into your training schedule. Allow yourself adequate recovery periods between intense training modules. The 12th exercise, dumbbell shoulder press. Overhead dumbbell press targets the front and side shoulder muscles. Do 3 sets, 8-12 reps. The rest period is 60 seconds. Adjusting the load and weights according to indicators of stress and fatigue is crucial. Monitor indicators of stress and fatigue. Watch for signs of fatigue, such as feeling exhausted, unable to complete exercises, and increased heart rate. Learn to listen to your body's signals and recognize early signs of fatigue. If you feel any unusual pain or stiffness, the load may be overload. The most important thing is regular monitoring and constant adjustment of the load to avoid reaching the stage of stress and excessive fatigue. Here we have reached the end of the video, and I want to tell you that if anyone encounters a problem during the process of purchasing the book, please contact us through WhatsApp and I will send him a copy directly. I am always here for you, and I wish you all success and that your life becomes better. Good luck to you as well. If you have any questions, write your inquiry in the comments and you will be answered as soon as possible.